Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to send BNB or Binance Coin from MetaMask to Binance. So now, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open MetaMask. So launch the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app and ensure you are logged into your MetaMask wallet. Now you need to obtain your MetaMask BNB wallet address. So in MetaMask, navigate to the BNB wallet or the wallet that holds your BNB. Click on the Receive or Copy button to obtain your BNB wallet address. Copy the address to the clipboard. Now just go ahead and log into your Binance account. Navigate to the deposit page. After logging in, move your mouse over the wallet menu item and click on the Spot Wallet. Now, you need to find BNB. On the Spot Wallet page, search for BNB or select Binance Coin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now you need to generate a Binance deposit address. So to do that, click on Deposit next to Binance Coin. Binance will generate a unique deposit address for you. Now paste the MetaMask BNB address. So return to MetaMask and paste the Binance deposit address you've copied earlier into the recipient address field. Now you need to specify the transfer amount. So enter the amount of BNB you want to send from MetaMask to Binance in the amount field. So double check the amount to ensure accuracy. Now you need to what you need to do is to, I'm sorry about that one, review and confirm. Okay, so carefully review the transaction details, including the recipient address and the amount being sent. Verify that everything is accurate before proceeding. Now you need to confirm the transaction. So click on the confirm or send button to initiate transfer from MetaMask to Binance. So MetaMask may prompt you to enter your security credentials such as a password or confirm the transaction using your wallet security features. Now you need to wait for the transfer. So the transfer from MetaMask to Binance may take some time to be confirmed on the Binance chain network. The length of time will depend on network congestion and other factors. The last one is to check Binance for the BNB. So once the transfer is completed, go back to Binance and navigate to the Spot Wallet page. You should see the transferred BNB funds reflected in your Binance wallet. So please note that MetaMask primarily focuses on Ethereum-based assets. So you will need to use the Binance Chain network when transferring BNB from MetaMask to Binance. Always double check addresses and take necessary security precautions when making cryptocurrency transactions to ensure the safety of your funds. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.